Exploring Google Bard, a revolutionary leap in conversational AI, elite and honor news. Introduction to Google Bard and its multimodal functionality. Google has recently unveiled an experimental conversational AI service, Google Bard, that is set to redefine the way we interact with AI. Powered by Google's large language model, Lambda, Bard is designed to engage users with the breadth of the world's knowledge, combined with the power, intelligence, and creativity of Google's large language models. What makes Google Bard unique? Unlike traditional search engines that return a list of article links, Bard provides more refined and trustworthy answers to various topics. It's a fresh approach to information retrieval, promising to unlock new possibilities for users worldwide. One of the key features of Bard is its support for multimodal search. This means it's capable of generating images from a text prompt, adding a visual dimension to its responses. This feature is supported by Adobe Firefly, allowing users to share images directly in the Bard chat. The technology behind Google Bard. Bard is built on Google's language model for dialogue applications, Lambda, technology, which was unveiled 2 years ago. Lambda was built on Transformer, Google's neural network architecture released in 2017. The latest improvements in Bard, including advanced maths and reasoning skills and coding capabilities, are powered by PaLM 2, a more capable large language model. Integrations and applications of Google Bard. Google Bard can be integrated into websites, messaging platforms, or applications to provide realistic, natural language responses to user questions. It has the ability to generate, debug, and explain code without problems, making it a reliable tool for developers. Bard is now integrated with Google tools like Docs and Sheets, which means it can generate content and tables and automatically add them to these apps. This feature is set to revolutionize the way we create and manage content. The future of Google Bard. Google has announced a slew of new features for Bard, including increased visibility for sourced content, global expansion, dark theme, prompts and answers with images, and integration with apps, Google Apps, Adobe, etc. Google is also working with third-party partners to bring more tools and services to Bard. Google Bard vs ChatGPT. Google Bard outperforms ChatGPT when it comes to providing real-time access to the internet, user-friendliness of the interface, and integration with other applications. However, ChatGPT shines in text processing tasks like summarizations and paragraph writing, making it a versatile tool for various applications. The other thing to consider is ChatGPT now has plugins which can be used to make it more powerful if you have a ChatGPT Plus account, which has browsing plugins and has recently integrated Bing Search into its web browsing beta plugin. To sum up things, Bard has image capabilities built in. ChatGPT can handle more text but needs plugins for multiple image capabilities. Google Bard's image feature. The latest release of Google Bard has introduced a key feature that sets it apart from other AI chatbots, the ability to source and display images. Users can now ask Bard for images directly, and each image will be accompanied by its source, providing a rich, visual context to the information being shared. Integration with Google Lens. To enable this advanced feature, Google has integrated Google Lens into Bard. This integration allows Bard to analyze uploaded images and return relevant responses. In the future, users will be able to upload images and prompt Bard to provide information or perform specific tasks related to the image, such as creating a caption. Availability and future developments. Currently, this image capability is limited to English responses and is available on both desktop and mobile web versions of Bard. As Bard continues to evolve, it is expected to gain more capabilities around processing images. Integration with Adobe's Firefly. Google Bard is also integrating Adobe's Firefly tool, which will allow users to create images directly from the Bard interface. This integration positions Bard to compete with other AI chatbots that already offer an AI image creation tool. Google Bard's performance. A closer look. From a technical standpoint, Google Bard is a powerful and versatile platform that enables businesses to transform their data into actionable insights. It can analyze vast amounts of data and provide meaningful insights in a matter of seconds. Bard can uncover hidden relationships between variables and provide a more comprehensive understanding of the factors that drive business performance. It offers a user-friendly interface that allows users to quickly create custom dashboards and reports, without the need for any coding or advanced technical skills. The user experience of Google Bard has also been well received. Bard's user interface is colorful and carries the Google motif we've come to expect. It is easy to use and understand, even for non-technical users. Bard's tone of voice and temperament is strikingly human and incredibly easy to talk to. However, Bard's responses can sometimes be corporate and lack knowledge. Improving interactions with Google Bard, 10 tips and tricks. Be clear and concise. Provide as much information as possible in your requests. Use natural language. Bard accepts prompts in natural language, so enter a sentence or full paragraph to convey what you want. Ask for additional details. Prompt Bard for additional details if you need more information. Verify Bard's response. Verify Bard's response to ensure that it is accurate. Edit your prompt. Remember that you can edit your prompt using the pencil icon that appears next to it, and Bard will adjust its output accordingly. Ask Bard to develop or refine its ideas. Bard is a conversational tool, so you can ask it to develop or refine its ideas. Use Bard to brainstorm ideas. Bard can help you brainstorm ideas for different kinds of written, creative content, such as poems, scripts, blog posts, emails, and letters. Use Bard to get straightforward answers. Anytime you ask Bard something, it'll offer concise answers, which is a great way to get information on topics you're curious about. Rate Bard's responses. Chatting with Bard and rating its responses will help improve the overall experience. Experiment with Bard. Experiment with Bard to see what it can do and how it can help you. Conclusion. In conclusion, Google Bard, powered by Google's large language model, LaMDA, is a revolutionary conversational AI service that is set to redefine the way we interact with AI. Its unique features, such as multimodal search and the ability to generate images from a text prompt, offer a fresh approach to information retrieval. With its integration into various platforms and applications, Bard promises to unlock new possibilities for users worldwide. The future of Google Bard looks promising with a slew of new features announced, including increased visibility for sourced content, global expansion, and integration with apps. Despite the competition with ChatGPT, Bard's real-time access to the internet, user-friendly interface, and application integration give it an edge. However, it's important to note that ChatGPT's text processing tasks like summarizations and paragraph writing make it a versatile tool for various applications. The latest release of Google Bard has introduced the ability to source and display images, setting it apart from other AI chatbots. This feature, supported by Google Lens and Adobe's Firefly, provides a rich, visual context to the information being shared. From a technical standpoint, Google Bard is a powerful and versatile platform that enables businesses to transform their data into actionable insights. Its user-friendly interface and human-like temperament make it accessible and easy to use for both technical and non-technical users. As we continue to explore and experiment with Google Bard, it's important to remember some tips and tricks to improve our interactions with it. Being clear and concise, using natural language, asking for additional details, verifying Bard's response, and experimenting with Bard are some ways to enhance our experience with this innovative tool.